Today we are making pickled red onions and we'll show you just how to make it. Coming up next on Love What You Eat. All right, so as you can see, when I first prepared this video at home, again, you see the kitchen is different. So I prepared it at home, and then I came with a couple of things made at home to finish the video at my mom's. The color, as you can see, has let out a lot more of the red color of the juices have basically turned more red. Once it has marinated a little bit longer, it took, I would say, a couple of days, and you really started to see the juices going more red.
Yeah,
so this
pinkish.
has been exactly pinkish, you're right, more of a pinkish hue versus the close-ups that you saw as soon as I made it at home. So just to show the beautiful color that it does give. This has been pickling for about 3 weeks or so, but honestly, this is good to eat within a 24-hour, super good. Some people eat it straight away. I just wait for at least the red color to start to pop up, or at least a 24-hour for things to really absorb and marinate. Yeah, and marry together. But that's it. So we are going to be, you can honestly put this, again, over lots of things, over some hard-boiled eggs, on a crostini, over a salad, just on its own. Some people just like to have a nice bite of something fermented or marinated on its own, or pickled on its own.
In a panino.
In a panino, honestly. So yeah, so many different ways to make it. We're gonna be making today just something that we've done again on our channel. Up here, we'll link a video for you. It's the friselle video, that are basically dried out donut-shaped breads that you end up soaking a bit in water and dressing them as you wish. So we are going to be dressing a friselle up and placing this on top to give these pickled red onions a try. Ready, Matt?
I'm ready.
Okay.
If you rub it between your fingers, it releases a little more the aroma and the taste. Stop sleeping.
It's very good.
Come back.
There we go. So obviously, same thing, whatever you have pickled or jarred or canned, etc., are always submerged. So this is totally fine. There's enough liquid. I'm pressing down and it's okay. I don't have any of those stoppers. Some people have those stoppers that you put in, or those plastic rims. But as long as you press it down, it'll be fine.
That's right.
Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna take a bite from here with a clean fork, because I just wanna, because again, I made this super spicy, so my poor mom, and some people eat them straight like this too.
Oh, that's fine. I mean,
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. I love anything pickled.
I'm sure they're delicious. Good, huh?
Oh yeah. The mustard seeds and the black peppercorn give such a good flavor. So I did simple traditional spices that you saw, and those sliced peppers give such a light, nice little tangy hint. This would also pair very well if you're making a coleslaw, just to add on top of a coleslaw for a nice little zing.
Yeah.
And I'll also link the coleslaw video up here. We have a really good coleslaw video. that this would be absolutely delicious to go on top of.
Yeah, it would be a great addition to
Oh
it,
my
yes.
goodness.
Very
So,
good.
so good. And red onions are traditionally sweeter, so that sweetness of the red onions
Yeah.
and then that zing of the vinegar, so delicious.
There we go.
Just gonna give a little bite here with my mom. This is the only fish you'll ever see me eat tuna in a can. That's it. A little bit of the
There you go.
onions. Okay. This is honestly truly delicious. Hope you guys give this one a try.
Favorite? Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Mm.
A nice little zing, eh?
Perfect amount of tanginess. Perfect, perfect.
It's really, really delicious. You can honestly, again, season it as you wish. If you want to omit the black peppercorns, the mustard seeds, etc. I was playing with the flavor profiles that I like. I really like the flavor that the bay leaf also gives in there too. It gives off a really nice, subtle background flavor. So the flavors did develop. And this was sitting for 3 weeks pickling. Honestly, this can stay up to, oh my God, a year.
Months, even,
Months,
yeah,
even a
maybe
year,
yeah.
even a year, honestly. But it'll never last because everything that you're basically making, you put it on top of a good burger. Put some even over a nice grilled steak and slice it and eat it with your steak. Potato salad, some pickled red onions over a nice potato salad. And this will be a great addition just to pop a little on top for people that like that extra spicy heat. Well, thank you guys for watching. As always, new content uploaded every Sunday. And don't forget to check out our recipe website at www.lovewhatyoeat.net, where you'll be able to find everything that we film uploaded there with photos, step-by-step aid. And you'll be able to replicate to the T or use it as inspiration to create your own. Thank you guys for tuning in every Sunday. And as always, we want to wish you a happy weekend.
Yes.
And continue to
Love what you eat.
Bye for now.
Bye. Alla prossima. Ciao, ciao. Have a good day.